How I flipped $400 to $900 with one GBPJPY sniper trade. Today I started trading with $400 and by the end of the session I was at $900. And I did this using one simple GBP setup in the 1 minute. And the crazy part is no indicators, just pure price action. What's up, traders? It is Forex, and in this video I'm going to break down the exact setup I used today on GBPJPY that made me a clean profit. I'll be showing you why I entered, where I put my stop loss, where my target was, and the key structure rule you must follow. So if you're still wondering how I get these moves, join my trading group. The links will be in the description. So we had a GBP setup, and this was in the London session as always. So the first thing that you're going to identify is if you're to look on the left hand side of this chart here, you're going to see this strong bullish push to the upside, and this one already is putting me in a buy mode. So I'm gonna be setting my buy bias with this clean push to the upside. After that clean push to the upside, I'm having a break of structure at that zone. Before this break of structure happening at this zone here, we have this pullback, creating a zone which is our lower high at that point there. Then we are getting another clean push to the upside. That clean push to the upside is the one breaking this high here, and you're seeing the market is creating a new high at that point, creating a zone of resistance. After giving us a new zone of resistance here, we're having this clean pullback, our zone here. Okay, so we're having a zone of support here, and we're having a retest at that point there. So this one is making this area our area of confluence. This is our pullback into this zone here. So you're having bias of structure, new high, pullback here. So after having this one, we are seeing how buyers are reacting from this zone here. Buyers are taking control from this zone here, confirming our end of pullback. So we took our buys on the closure of that candle. Our stop loss is always below this area of confluence. Then if you're to zoom in into the 15 minutes, that's where we got our take profit from. We had our take profit around this zone. That was our take profit 1, and then the last take profit was at this zone here. So it was a very beautiful trade. That was TP1 was over 48 pips, and then TP2 was over 115 pips. Very nice trade for a Friday morning, because we normally trade during the London session. So very beautiful trade, and this is how it took us. So if you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe